If you love words and you love summer, then you will oogle at this new lawn game I just made for our family. I used hardboard for the main game board piece, mainly because it was inexpensive, and more importantly, a nice smooth surface for easy painting and applying the VELCRO brand sticky back tape later on. I primed it with white background paint and then taped and painted it into sections for the letters. 3 cheers for my amazing math skills to get this grid as evenly spaced out as possible. While that was drying, I started laying out the letter tiles. I just bought these pre-cut squares, but of course you could cut some of your own if you wanted. I added the letters to each tile in summery colors, of course. But then the true hero to make this game come to life was the VELCRO brand sticky back tape. I cut the VELCRO brand sticky back tape into squares and peeled the backing off to secure one part of the tape to the letters and the other part to the game board itself. The fasteners will secure the letters in place as you play the game and mix and match the letters all summer long to make endless words come to life on your board. And surprise, there's even an additional tic-tac-toe game on the back to make this super fun double-sided game for your family. All the tips and tricks to make an oversized word game for yourself are on my blog.